ma'am ngasi anisubang video ito ko LuMahei channel da taramok chari pasage ki English Comprehension CSAT ki oina pasage pa bigi mo deki sige mamang video ko mamang video mo English Comprehension ki video am so technique to develop to zara ko ngasi su UPSC ki question ko UPSC question ni UPSC question ma ko na local matung da practice to ko edi camera na akoi camera ng number gi habro yengsi aduga akoi si kano ta taw gadri ba edi style se kaino harakanda koi minute amada khot pa da bitan minute amada khot da ko practice question jo lady practice question jo pula puna tomina se ko ado pcs se pa da bitan khot pa se bani akoi pula puna tomina se duga kyam kadai pa chung gi have to yengsi ko check taro se okay first kado ga harakanda akoi ya amada basic pa lum se ko the question sa hana pagis aduga pure common sense amasung GS na ko dini ko yenga se ko which one of the following statement best express the most logical and practical message of the passage mun ipamina se addressing climate change through mitigation and adaptation is mainly the responsibility of each individual state ko climate change address to ba adagi mitigation to ba adaptation to ba si se responsibility of each individual state nation adu dai question ma ba United Nations Environmental Program ga lai ba ko adagi convention ma ma lai ba habedi art summit ga lai ba adagi Tokyo gi Kyoto Protocol ga lai ba sigi mayam sing climate change control to na ba ga ni ba adugi climate change control to na mayam sing do individual state ki responsibility oi taragadi adu lai ba kai kana ri ba ko aduduna masise GS or common sense oina masise dum kakatla se ba haidi o yaawado point ne individual state kakana responsibility oigadon have se yaawado point ne adegi India is too diverse to implement any effective strategy or program to tackle the climate change masise yong ba habi diversity have se akoi country diversity have se akoi country da yam sine like unity diversity ka haire ni ko masise na kogi climate change tackle tawada yamna effective oi hande or kana effective strategy natte na hai taragadi kogi India da kogi kari climate change have India da yamna mai pang to paswa ngam maroi adu ngam da bra haragadi koi ngam ni ba climate change ke kogi maram da climate change tackle tawna hona ko India sa tawre yam negative so ore bi India jam sidani ngi ta ba adu na nasi su la le na dum lo yare it is mainly the responsibility of the union government to implement the climate action plans and achieve net zero emission union government and the central government is katang tawgadam ni sini haise mainly the responsibility mainly so high mainly the responsibility of the union government akoi ki federal structure lay akoi India constitution se federal structure lay state na tawgadam khara central na tawgadam khara abani mak na tawya ba ka na to lay adu ka lay maroi ba adegi akoi ki ka hara kanda union level da akoi ki kano akoi ki pollution control board lay dana ko union pollution control board the central pollution control board state pollution control board kana lady kogi climate change kano se adagi net zero emission handana bagi damakta kogi organization level lady ba adu union government ka tanati ba lay state government so lay ba adu na akoina kadogi hara kana masisu contradict tawe ba ko jig lay ba state government gi adagi central government gi federal structure se contradict tawe union government ka tangna thabak ton bai ta ko union government ka tana climate change or kogi carbon dioxide emission se ton bai ta ngangi ko adu na sisu dum la ne ba alo se moi hom jalan re last statement ying se India should develop effective climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies at the state or regional level ko yung city yam balance or climate change mitigation have se kado ba state amasung regional level da wala country level da regional level da di ko di Southeast Asian countries kumba or European countries kumba or even Asia kumba dumaina haidi regional level su tawgada ni sini ko develop India should develop effective climate change mitigation and strategies at the state or regional level or regional level higher gadi ko my region Himalayas plateaus adu bagi stands oito ni ko state level da so have the whole country level da so six states kano oito ni ko gi my kano ki Manipur gumba Uttar Pradesh ko madu oito Himalaya or regional level higher gadi Himalaya ko aina hadi adu da strategies develop ta wada ne ko effective oil ngai climate change effective oil ngai tare masi jam balance or background ne whole country su yeng ba ko whole country su dum yeng ni ko state kuding is yeng di regional level su yeng ni bindra yamna balance or approach and city adum always right way or ga le ni ba ko sumana balance or approach masi se IDC se chumena le but obodo busum adi confirmation ki oina pasage haibet yengsebako habit India should develop effective climate change mitigation adaptation strategies ko state and regional levels high state and regional level se edi masigi concept habit pasage se yawi yengsebako each state ko state ki sorto ma yawi ko se pa ha pa da climate change tona ba is stated different challenge unique opportunity to reduce emission in both natural resources adum yawi ko shiri example or for instance kala adagi Himalaya region kai kala to regional level to this level Himalaya region coastal states ko si regional level ngatani peninsular India offshore area si regional level ngatani state chulare regional chulare ko ko adani adu taragadi magi ngasagi state amasung regional level harido ai yani ko si statement dum chumani confirm to tawe ko next pesa sa paching ai ta Sige question to kung ngam raise green energy production can be connected with climate change mitigation and adaptation strategies so me ko green energy production habse kaino energy amna adi akoi gi energy se yamna pollution thon da ba mawang da puthok pa energy da ko green energy kawe aduga climate change ki mitigation sa ani se connected taw habse madi yani ngi ko connected taw habse madi yani ngi sure dum sum le sum basis da kana la la sum thora ba ko the effects of the climate change are much more severe in coastal and mountainous regions. The effects of climate change are much more severe in coastal and mountainous region hai taragadi man hai ningi se kaino yamna one sided ti oi ko ibdi the effect of climate change are much more severe oi hai ko severe ko kara wai dana coastal area aduga mountainous region dana hena severe oi hai bani ko ado mountainous coastal area mountainous region ai ngasai habetang yinga matam da yaw greba adu bu severe oi ha bisi yaw bri yin se si se ai si di chume si se confirmation am darkar leba ibdi severe je coastal amaso mountainous region da khatang oibra atai mafam dadi oidabra is logically thinking taw taragadi koi desert area da su climate change fa sa taw desert area da su ko coastal mountainous region na su desert area da su taw ko adagi valley area da su taw climate change ya fa sana taw jaga su desert area valley area adi coastal area ka na tiba ko plain area ko hilly area mountainous region ka su na tiba so aduna tuze landai male tuze si se tuze landai male adu yeng se se yang sang sin coastal area mountainous region se confirmation of the topic ko yo coastal area yawe sister severe oe na se ta yido oe be yeng se severe oe ko so from rising sea level with drier need to severe oe have yaw de ko Himalayan region jam yeng se specific problems certain peninsula inland as well strong problems up the yaw de adi confirmation se to ya trip ko adu na adi yaw asing bagi kari gumba severe oyen coastal area among mountainous regions severe oyen haram tara gadi misi se menje chubja gadi ba but the logically la la dina koi la na dum logyar adu tara gadi statement 1 se katani ba adi a 1 only ko adu do si si tasay bagi pese sa pasana para ga sumasi se chubdu ni ay sige logic se pala gadi ko second question se de koi pula pula tamina se ay pese se pa da bito ko pese se pa da bito question ani se khum se ko ay nga ta post ro du ga kana tawro ari kumo aduga yi kana aina sido mama na pirisi ko aduga pula punam kumina siko yare kumlo ragadi ay pula punam kumina siko India's political leadership should recognize that poverty social inequality and the resulting insecurity are the main social problems ko chumme social problems ni poverty haiba the social inequality haiba ko insecurity haiba se social problem ni aduga India ki political leadership sina sumasi se khangbam thoe masi ai di masi pra chumme na lebo si jimedi ai political leadership na poverty social inequality insecurity leba India da leba se khangbam thoe habini yes si ai yani ko adagi India poverty is the main cause of social inequality and insecurity poverty sina social inequality ki and insecurity ki kano se main cause oya yen khalani social inequality ha se shudra khetria adagi by sense kan khai do ko poverty da khai brane khai de ko po ko de dum shudra oya dum la ko shudra dum ora la hoi mari lai ni ha di ai ko poverty ka social inequality ka but social inequality je poverty ka thon bane ha di ma pura la ga ni ba adu duna masi sima pura la le poverty and social inequality are also deeply connected to have created an unmanageable crisis in India. Ako India the crisis about like na do ako government na do lawe kari manang government na mapanta kadi crisis later government na malaya na balance laya do high do di government na mala kan da apa ba matawde or even ako public service na lay se crisis maintain tong na tro so crisis like they have say ako inchan agent ta let's be positive ko ID ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯗꯦꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯦꯝ ꯑꯦꯟ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯟꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯦꯕल ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯑꯟꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯦꯕल ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯏꯟ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤꯕ anything any ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ unmanageable crisis of India ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯣꯕ there ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯗꯕꯅꯦ let's assume that the government can solve any problem government is trying to solve pull up tꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯤ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯁꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯀꯣ but solve ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ pull-up ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯣ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯦꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯏꯅꯦꯕ ꯒꯣꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯅꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯁꯛꯁꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣ ꯄꯣꯚꯔꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯏꯟꯏꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯤꯇꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯟꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯦꯕल ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁꯅꯦꯅ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯟꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯅꯤꯀꯣ adagi insecurity more than poverty is the main economic issue that government policy need to address yamko insecurity more than poverty yung man sada condition am ka hariba insecurity have sineba ko se poverty degi de ko insecurity sina hena ko economic insecurity or by social insecurity or by id paisa phasana maintain to handaba or insecurity habadi laira hanba hai tare ko manamdana government sina or koi ka hai ni loan ko pibi da ba inflation wangan ba this insecurity ngata ni economic insecurity this is a main economic issues that the government policy need to address government policies na address to this kai no poverty sina te insecurity sina shini ko maru oi poverty is kano taw ni hadi government policy na address to da ba insecurity sina maru oi na taw da ni shini ma na ni se ado insecurity ka poverty ka se karan hele ai wakanda insecurity sina dum hadi hele na lawe kai na poverty sidi dum lai dorabani ko aduduna insecurity sidi poverty do sang handan poverty se pura muthat pede koi ngamoi ko aduduna government policies sina poverty muthat pe muta insecurity thabak pini ba ko inflation handan ba ko ba adagi kaino ko ba adi GDP growth helan ba ko ba adu ko ba oina focus taw ba ne sidi logical oi bani ko economy ta ma ga di do si logical oi bani si su me ba ani je dum chum me ba ani je da khwai chum ba je loge hara ga di akoi basis ha pe pa ga masi ge assumption sing se basis ha pe pa ga kana taw se yung ko basis pa ji ga da ai isi ki statement ani si ki main oi ba pot se kai kai no ha to ha ni se main oi ba pot to ne ya ba yin se ko ida hai do se kai no poverty and social inequality have se kai no main social problem ne hari aduna ani je yaw yin se poverty social inequality main social problem ani je yaw yin se amana mu ka to ga kan da insecurity ka poverty ka se chamani ko masak sika insecurity ka poverty ka se main economic issues ne hari ko amana social problem ne hari amana economic issues ne hari aduga government policies na address to ko ni hari ai ko adu tara ki pese se pa kan yin se ko social yung ko social inequality se social problem ne hari ko statement amata sulai adagi amo CCCBD ahaba statement gi oidoni ko social inequality is the most strongly felt social problem in India but poverty is yaw ke yeng ko insecurity more than poverty to direct statement yung insecurity more than poverty have some direct statement is the most strongly felt economic problem direct statement ahaba fast boy la da yaw le adu tara kadi ani statement ani mak se chumba mala so 50-50 ki chance le ma ka su option number D 0 chumani kai ni ma direct statement yaw so exactly id akoina basis pa da mak su khumba ngam id ngam asmaina 50-50 chance la tara gadi basis de gi apet yenga basis de direct yaw do adu do ina basis ka kwaina na do adu do ina logo de ba do D je ina logo se ko ani mak statement ani se chumi hara su D sina kwai de gi basis ka chana ba oil ko yeng se ko next poverty people above poverty line are also prone to suffering from anxiety about economic insecurity poverty line ki mathakta leba habiti poverty line ki mathakta leba mi su economic insecurity haidi masi economic insecurity se thinga ba yai ka su kai de ko haidi middle class family ade poverty line ki mathakta leba family ayam economic insecurity se phangi ko haidi loan phasana loba yada ba degi kari kara ko inflation ya wabsi haidi poverty line ha ba laiti ba haidi mi pum ko de inflation ya wabsi dum phangi ni ba adegi kanu ya wabsi dum haidi economic insecurities mayam leiba mayam jinski loi phangi ni mi pum ko de loi insecurity ki phangi ba aduna ko mana hani people above the poverty line are also prone to suffering from anxiety about economic insecurity haise yani ni general statement ni masidi idm poverty line thata nate above poverty line da leba mi sing su adom economic insecurity se phangi ko adagi eradication of poverty can result in peace eradication of poverty haibase dum khalloba ngamchu ngamudaba pot ne basis impossible task ne aduna impossible task haibase government na kashu ainga sa habto impossible task da government na kashu thapot se thadaroi koi mana ngamjaba social inequality or kanogi economic inequality singdo adudo oina maintain tawna phone ne aduna sigi matek sang yar ko dum la le dum khambe yare ko peace phangna bagi damakta social equality phangna bagi damakta poverty se eradicate tawdam ni hai bom thara hatok tu poverty level music ko ai reason to boba ai poverty se sumo muthak ngam do po ni na ai generalized tawra statement se masi se la le lo ya aduna si basis na pa so yare ne khalle tu web statement se la le which of the following assumptions are built I target is in code sai practice tawba aina mayamda aina practice ko ba adudo sigi statement ani se chumma ra ying biu ko ai ham bagi sina d tare ani so bagi sina a tare ko chumma ke practice question sa lasi ko ai go ka de chumma ni na kale aduna passage se pula padra so ai ba ko passage se pula padra so yan thuna dum ko pe ai ba si su passage padra bi dam tan ko na si ko passage se padra ko se which one of the following statements best reflect the most logical and rational practice question ni ko practice question ni khomu ko India must completely ban the cultivations of water-intensive crops like paddy to save its groundwater. Completely ban hai sima dum lalani. Completely hai sima dum yawo yadre. Completely ban tawa yadi kaino di cultivation of water-intensive crops like paddy se completely ban tawa di kamaina lalani ko sima. The government should immediately abolish all electrical subsidies. Electrical subsidies ko di masalai mutat kadamne. Tara gadi la represent electric kamain thanduri. Sisu lalani. Ensuring sustainable agriculture requires a shift towards crop diversification. Sustainable agriculture gidi crop diversification ka rationalization of resource pricing singa resource pricing ta wama tamda ising adegi kari kara mayam le riba thau thum asi mayam sing se phajana magi praja mayam duna sa bangam mo na price bi base masiga crop diversification crop se makan makan gi crop tham se sisiga ani se da focus ta gadam ne sustainable agriculture se chumi ko sidi yakti na chumi idc se dum khot krani groundwater depletion is a sole reason haiba yadi ko haibedi ani akoi agriculture ki crisis india da thoi se groundwater na kadang thon bane ha gadi madu lal ni ko groundwater na taba agricultural groundwater na supply ta da to river na supply ta agricultural ni crisis tok ta ba thoi ko madu so pollution tok na crop things da mama thok ba yam lai gade ko second phases se pa da bi da dum ko chi ko si so with reference to the above phases, the following assumptions have been met. Technological advancement inevitably leads to the permanent mass unemployment and the collapse of the developing economies. Mas is hiding is a kind of technological advancements in a permanent mass employment se technological advancements in a permanent hara target masi extreme mass employment oihale habadi yai adudu mass employment ina katoba collapse or developing economies oihale habase sisu yaning diba habadi kaino technological advancement ina hoi unemployment kala di poyambe adudu akoi masigi unemployment je adi ai la padagi unemployment yam thoi habe yai kasu kai diba but adudu na country to collapse to roi adudu ga akoina ai je fasana sijana boy target adudu na so employment yam ma generate to roi yai ko adudu na adi masigi statements about mass unemployment to hala is about land diba adudu developing countries collapse the way have seen la ni na first statements atum noi la ni ko continuous skill development and proactive government intervention are essential to navigate the disruption caused by the automation yung sida AI musika hari automation taro kasi masida sida government gi intervention changi sumi ko sidi id akoina AI ko masina ko or digi job security le rekta matamda government intervention taro ga AI ni sub sibok ti sina bi skill kano digi skill development government skill development gi policy program sima kanda kasi automation na depend to ko na AI da depend to technology da dagi kari hai thaba pi da adu ko mata kana to riba man depend to riba man do to khon da ba yani sini ko asi government gi mathau mathau ko ai government intervention to ra di job to balance order ko insecurity la ni job insecurity so masigi statements ai yani ko two sini so I two dum ko la ni be only ko two only देखिए वो किसी के पैसे से पा देवे the last question which one of the following statement best reflect the critical message conveyed by the passage in some cities to save the cities from the total collapse developing nation must introduce strict laws to prevent rural to urban migration say government developing nation or government ban to sunya yar kai no di rural to urban migration se dom thai gi dom la ni prevent to ko na bu ya ro hoi migration se kra handan badi ai kamaina rural area da support orang di popol se kra thamaga but the city se set to ga hai ta ga di city se set to ga hai ta ga di rural urban migration di city se mangan direct oi ro adu katana su oi ro plus ka to ga ka rural to urban migration se balance to ba namda badi ai but to prevent to ding ngam moi ko ni migration to prevent to ka mai ngam tu urbanization in the adu dum se la li ko urbanization in the developing countries is a complete failure. Complete failure I mean adu sisi mo la la ni complete failure har ta extreme oy man gre adum ko slums are not slums are an unavoidable consequence. Slum hai base mina thuan mani unavoidable har ta ga di city land ni slum area sing se pasana inhabited ta ba economic growth lai na ba ga mak ta masi jadum tawya ba ta ba government should not waste resource trying to upgrade them. City Pralalko, slum area things upgrade of the university. To harness the true economic potential of cities, developing nation must prioritize exclusive and well planned urban infrastructure. Economic potential of the cities Hazana harness of the developing nation China Kadogara Kanda urban infrastructure to prioritize top of the unavailable cities lalikon sagido. Other city yamtin to have the economic potential cities key, natural developing nation in masise pasana harness of the plan, pasana tawam sang bam bele so ban sani ko mais. The target is don't come again to this in tea. Option number D, Nakari answer. The basis a part to come on the basis a part amok I know the call the statement Shumrella by Yimidi, but Madam later deep UPSC exam with the general awareness or general GSK knowledge kind of tamaga extreme statement or government or any policy program tawa oibe ya mo mataw da yinga ang khot bayani ko I'm ngasi gidi sila lage kay gumba di ay natawisida lan ko bayani so sando ko aduduka UPSC exam na sila amina kaya practice ko kaya to na sila si and ko matang next video da mo tingnan ko. Have a nice day.